The iPad mini has always stood out in Apple's expansive tablet lineup. Since its initial release, this device has gained a reputation for its compact design and impressive functionality, making it a favored choice among a diverse range of users, from students to professionals. As we approach the potential launch of the iPad mini 7 in October 2024, it's crucial to explore the legacy of this tablet and its evolution to meet the demands of contemporary users. The excitement surrounding the upcoming model is palpable, and speculation about its features only heightens anticipation among Apple enthusiasts. Each iteration of the iPad mini has brought enhancements in performance, display technology, and battery life. With the introduction of the iPad mini 6 in 2021, Apple made significant strides by introducing a liquid retina display, A15 Bionic chip, and USB-C connectivity, positioning it as a serious competitor in the tablet market. The forthcoming iPad mini 7 is expected to continue this trend with even more innovative features. Recent whispers from credible sources hint that Apple may unveil the iPad mini 7 alongside other products in October 2024. Historically, Apple has made announcements during this time, often coinciding with new iPhone releases or updates to their computer lineup. One of the most significant upgrades expected in the iPad mini 7 is the introduction of the A16 Bionic chip. This next-generation processor is rumored to deliver significant performance boosts, enabling smoother multitasking and improved gaming experiences. Another anticipated upgrade is the introduction of a mini LED display. This technology could revolutionize how users interact with the iPad mini, offering superior contrast and color accuracy. Battery life has always been a strong point for the iPad mini, and Apple is expected to further optimize this feature. The combination of improved power consumption and advancements in battery technology may result in the iPad mini 7 lasting even longer on a single charge. While the iPad mini is known for its compact size, there is speculation about potential design changes. A sleeker, more modern look could appeal to a broader audience, especially younger users. The lightweight design is expected to remain, ensuring that the iPad mini 7 is easy to carry. iPadOS 18 is expected to offer significant multitasking improvements, allowing users to utilize split view and slide over more effectively. Enhanced drag-and-drop functionality could streamline workflows, making the iPad mini 7 an even more attractive option for professionals. The iPad mini 7 aims to cater to a diverse audience, providing a perfect blend of portability and performance. Whether you're a student, a creative professional, or simply looking for a reliable tablet for everyday use, the iPad mini 7 promises to deliver. Students will benefit from the iPad mini's compact design, making it easy to carry in a backpack. With the new performance upgrades, like, share, subscribe,